So Sentinel-1 data from G is slightly different from that of Copernicus. Is it due to the that G uses its own SAR processor? I guess part of answering that question, and I guess I just have pulled up the example here. They do in their documentation, just to quickly mention, they do talk about how they use the Sentinel-1 toolbox, also known as Snap, to do the processing. Also, just to say, just to kind of give you a little bit of insight also into the process. I do understand that the team at Google, as well as some others, are doing or have been doing comparisons of the Sentinel-1 SAR data generated using Snap compared with other methods like using a software called Gamma. They're in the process of evaluating, and I believe that when they have more information on that, that will be brought back to the community. But just because you brought up the issue of SAR, and Sam did bring up the issue also about conversions that have to be done, and Sam did take us old school as to, for optical data, when you had to, take band by band and put it together. For some people, we're looking at this beautiful SAR composite over, again, I believe some part of Europe, right? Just one thing to say, and maybe a shameless plug for our colleague Ian Woodhouse, who's also an Earth engineer, and is affiliated with a company, Earthblocks, that's does their work leveraging Earth Engine. Ian Woodhouse literally wrote the book about SAR, and it's like once upon a time, if you wanted to get SAR data, you'd have to use something like Snap or one of these other software and go through a fantastically interesting process, which is detailed here. Or you could also pick up the Severe Silver Carbon SAR handbook to look into that process.
I love the Severe SAR handbook. By the way, that's one of my favorite places to go to.